Title: Boost your YouTube subscriptions. Proven strategies to grow your channel. Hey there, future YouTube sensation. Today, we're diving into proven strategies to boost your subscriptions and grow your channel. Let's get started. 1. Quality content. First and foremost, focus on creating quality content. Invest in good equipment, plan your content, and always prioritize your viewers' experience. 2. Consistent upload schedule. Consistency is key. Set a schedule and stick to it. Whether it's weekly or bi-weekly, your subscribers will appreciate knowing when to expect your next video. 3. Engaging thumbnails and titles. Your thumbnail and title are your video's first impression. Make them catchy, relevant, and intriguing to draw viewers in. 4. Interact with your audience. Engage with your viewers. Respond to comments, host live sessions, and create a community. The more connected your audience feels, the more likely they are to subscribe. 5. Collaborate with other YouTubers. Collaborate with fellow YouTubers. It's a win-win. You'll introduce your content to their audience and vice versa. 6. Utilize playlists. Organize your videos into playlists. This encourages viewers to watch more of your content in one go, increasing the chances of them subscribing. 7. Promote on social media. Don't forget to promote your videos on other social media platforms. Expand your reach and drive traffic back to your YouTube channel. 8. Call to action. And lastly, don't be shy. Remind viewers to like, share, and most importantly, subscribe. A simple call to action can work wonders. Growing your YouTube channel takes time, effort, and strategy. But with these tips, you're well on your way to YouTube stardom. Remember, every subscriber is a step closer to building your dream community. Ready to take your channel to the next level? Hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks. Until next time, keep creating and keep growing.